Marathon Critique.
JC on the beat, dawg.
Look, on the road to riches, my car fast, my bitch is bad. My lopes on, my beat thump, my pistol stash. Transition, and now it ain't no looking back. My bro home, my daughter straight. Now what more can a nigga ask? How it's looking? I'm gon' keep getting cash, cause I'm like that Rolex second hand behind the crystal glass. I keep moving, keep hustling till I see improvement. I know that I can't win them all, but I can't keep losing. What I used to tell myself when life seemed useless, when it felt like if I was to change it'd be for music. When Pop showed us that the pain we felt was not exclusive. Was in the hood, but Sean Carter showed us no excuses. Now kids tell me I'm the reason that they finished school, and if it wasn't for the marathon, they wouldn't have made it through it. All on Twitter like, nigga gonna drop your new shit. I'm just taking time to make the proper use of my influence. Couple 100,000 cash, a few haters, lawyer fees for new cases, and a box of blunts later I give you. The Streets Illustrated latest issue, the update on my state of mind to everything I've been through. Theme music for young hustlers, get their hands to the proof to every young nigga banging to what you can do. Theme music for young hustlers, get their hands to the proof to every young nigga banging to what you can do. My beat banging, gold chain swinging, and all money in, still a song that I'm singing. I'm on, can't fade them, fame can't change them. Still screaming fuck a bitch, and these bitches can't blame them. It's true, he in the game, that these hoes can't play him. Respect the nigga pimpin' cause they know he don't save him. It's right, can't break him cause these niggas ain't make him still try with all they might. But I rebuke you, Satan. Let's pray. Let's pray. Let's pray.